Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a knight's helmet. Let's start off by drawing the visor with a line curving up to a point and curving back down to another point here. Then mirror those underneath and close out the shape with a small circle. This is the part that protects the knight's face and can flip up for them to see better. From the corner on top, draw a big curve going to the left that goes around the small circle and flares back out to the left like so. And from the bottom corner of the visor, mirror the flared out portion. Add a curve bending downward to finish off the helmet shape. On the visor, draw some sideways V-shapes that get smaller and smaller for the slits that the knight looks through. Next, add a very flat bump on the back part on top of the helmet. And from there, draw a big cloud shape that comes up and out and tapers to a point at the back like so. And to add a tiny bit more detail, draw a short cloud-like line up here for some texture. This is called the plume, which was used to identify who the knight was fighting for. Lastly, draw a line following the curve at the bottom for the helmet trim. And a smaller circle here for the hinge that lets it flip out. And now you got a knight's helmet.